look at me, I'm the next big thing. Got the world sitting on my shoulders. Always on the run, beating like a drum, bone ready like a frontline soldier. This is a call to the haters out there waiting for me to fall on my face. I got no time to be wasting, I'm big dream chasing. So move out the way, I'm coming through. Move out the way, I got work to do. Cause I'm a lizard dropping like a train, no stopping. I'm a hurricane on the loose. So move out the way, I'm coming through. Waking up the fight inside, gonna leave them paralyzed, won't know what hit them. Try to keep me down, I'll be coming unwound on a roll, I'm just beginning. I'm number one in a million, loved by billions. It's just a cold hard truth, gave it everything to find my meaning. No, I got nothing to prove. So move out the way, I'm coming through. Move out the way, I got work to do. Cause I'm a lizard dropping like a train, no stopping. I'm a hurricane on the loose. So move out the way, I'm coming through. This is a call to the haters out there waiting for me to fall on my face. I got no time to be wasting, I'm big dream chasing. So move out the way, move out the way. Move out the way, I got work to do. Cause I'm a lizard dropping like a train, no stopping. I'm a hurricane on the loose. So move out the way, I'm coming through.
This dance is called Move Out the Way, choreographed by Fred Whitehouse. It's a 64 count, one wall, advanced level line dance. There's one bridge in this dance. Section 1, starting with right foot, step right foot forward, bring both arms forward, pivot quarter turn left and cross your arms across your stomach. Quarter turn right, bring hands up to face, pull apart your arms, palm facing forward. Half turn left, step left foot forward, quarter turn left, right foot forward, quarter turn left, left foot forward, sweep your right, right foot forward, sweep your left, left foot forward, bring your right hand up, elbow bend, bring your left hand up, elbow bend, push both hands to the ceiling. Rise up on your toes, step down. Section 2, round back, left, right, left, sweep your right, behind side, cross, quarter turn left, left foot forward, facing 9, step right foot forward, pivot half turn left, facing 3, 2 full turns to your left, half turn left back, half turn left forward, half turn left back, half turn left forward. Section 3, right foot, step, lock, step, left foot, step, lock, sweep your left, quarter turn left, coaster step facing 12 o'clock. Right foot forward, left foot side and pop right knee in, out, in, 1/8 left, now you're facing 10:30. Cover your eyes, right hand, left hand. Section 4, syncopated rocking chair. Right foot, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. Quarter turn right, Botafogo. Cross, 1/8 right, side, 1/8 right, together, facing 1:30. Left foot cross, 1/8 left, right foot side, facing 12. Touch left foot behind, unwind, 5/8 turn to your left. Now you're facing 4:30. Arms, right, left, press on your left foot, chest pop. Section 5, rock back, bring both arms in, recover, push your arms down. 1/8 right, right foot, coaster, step facing 6, round forward, left, right. Pivot 3/4 turn to your left, push right hand forward facing 130. Step on your left, make a spiral 3/4 turn to your right, hook your right, facing 1030. 1/8 right, round forward, right, left, right. Now you're facing 12 o'clock. Section 6, jump forward, both feet together. Right foot, back, lock, back, quarter turn left, left foot, side rock, swing your right hand down, recover, raise your right hand to the right diagonal and lift your left leg, vine, side behind, side cross. Section 7, knee poses. Step left foot to the side, knee pose twice. Together. Step right foot to the side, knee pose twice. Together. Left foot, mambo quarter, rock forward, recover, quarter turn left, side, cross, facing 6, 1/8 left, left foot forward, facing 430. Arms, right, left, press on your left foot, chest pop. Last section, rock back, pull both arms in, recover, push arms down, 1/8 right, right foot, coaster, step, round forward, left, right, pivot 3/4 turn to your left, push right hand forward, facing 130. Step on your left, make a spiral 3/4 turn to your right, hook your right, facing 1030, 1/8 right, round forward, right, left. Now you're facing 12 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Now let me go over wall 3. On wall 3, you will dance 16 counts, then add a 4-count bridge, then continue the dance from section 5. Now let me show you wall 3 with counts, starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. That's the end of 16 counts. Now add a 4-count bridge. Walk around 7/8 to your left to 430. Step in, right, left, right, right arm to the side, left, left arm to the side. Press on your left, chest pop, then connect to section 5. With counts for the bridge. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Section 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.